Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asinigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabogo tumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenyega ya Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbota hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kila slice. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Chinsa Ikomi chiritukoria Jumapili ya tariki 25 mutenye Ikomi mwaka bw'ekiri 2025 Ekeonga senchera y'obwenge mwaziri w'esemi Musike Julius Mungosi ogamba nigagenderera okwanera ogochaka kwa matemwa manene a KCSE matemwa kepsia na baya matemwa ali a KCSE ritukoria ankyobene okwana korwa kanisa ya Adventista ya Nyagasenda igotoka bunge ya kitutu cha North County ya Kisii migosi nigatebe mwako yegani go mubaro manene bwaborekiwa ora ikaransa samatemwayo asaborekiwa chimilioni 3.4 barakore amatemwayo migosi nigarwetege kurege tindi na boigo akabaraga ebyara bali abarache koreta obongainereri asamatemwayo sarweto kobolya kuchasa baibuli na bantu bonsi baborekiwa bwochinga kichingia bakora amatemwabo asenchira ereyo bwekira na boigo banyore grade kire baranyore serikali ne barobere asabakogenda.
Watoto wetu wameanza kufanya mtihani wa 2025. Watoto wote wale wanafanya mtihani Kenya hii, kutoka primary, kutoka junior school, kuingia form 4, wote ni 3.4. There are 3.4 million children doing exams in Kenya this year. Nataka kuomba watu wote, wakiwa ndani yao watoto, walimu, wazazi na watu wote ambao wanahusika katika ile maneno ya exams, tafadhali msikubali kufanya maneno ya malpractice kwa exam hii ya 2025. Msikubali kufanya maneno ya illegality yoyote ama irregularity yoyote katika kufanya exams ya mwaka huu. Ningependa na naomba muache watoto wafanye exams kwa sababu they have been properly prepared, na ile grade mtoto atapata ndio yake. Ndio vile tunataka kama serikali, ile grade mtoto atapata, tutapangia huyo mtoto kufanya maneno ingine hata kama grade yake ni ya chini. Ikiwa mtoto anatoka form 4, kama amepata grade ya chini, ataenda kwa zile tertiary institutions zingine kama TVET na zingine. So hakuna haja muende kufanyia watoto mabaya ya malpractice kwa sababu mnawaharibia maisha yao. Na ukipatikana ukiengage in any malpractice or irregularity, kwa sababu tumeelezea watu vile inatakana kufanywa, sheria itachukua mkondo yake na utafungwa. Na ukifungwa usikuje kulilia mtu yeyote, awe member of parliament, awe mtu yeyote, kusema umeonewa, kwa sababu ukishikwa hapo mahali umeshikwa ndio unaandikishwa statement ya kusema ni makosa gani umefanya. So tafadhali tukue macho na mreport visa zozote.
Tugendete kurigereria tsemi ane mono kiramate momanene aguchaka ritkoria abo ankyo mwaziri boborendi boime omoske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo abolire abana siasa gocha mona nene mono kerato kurigereria kerato rochi siasa chintindi nabo igo bochoria bonere bo mwaka 2027 uko anakorwa ekanisa ya AIC ari na family gotoka county ya Kisumu. Murkomen nigo abolire abana siasa batigechie siasa chioko bagana na kiramate momanene aguchaka beneri tskoria ankyo nigo moske Murkomen aganiri aboroki wabonsi amaya asebo igatebre esemo yoborendi boimene leta yare gusira wizara yetsemi anamono ase okwenekia oborendi chinsemo asamatemo yu arache gokorekana nabo igo kusira ensemo yetsemi ase kendigion sikirikiraganiwe.
As a nation, as we go to a political period, ninawaomba sana kwamba tushikane pamoja. I want to request that the politics of hatred, the politics of tribalism, the politics of fighting each other, I want to request leaders that let us pull together. Let's work as a team. Let us make sure that Kisumu, Nyanza, Kenya is coming together. Let us compete when it comes to ideas. If you have a better idea, then the good idea will give way to your better idea. Let us compete not using propaganda and hatred and tribalism. Let us talk about my policy as against your policy proposal and see how we can bring Kenya together. And Bishop, that is the direction we are going. I know it's an exam period now, and our children are doing exam in Form 4, and also those who are doing Year 9 exams. I want to wish them every success in the exams, and I want to assure you that the Ministry of Interior is on standby to support, providing security support, providing also logistical support. Our chiefs, assistant chiefs, our ACCs, our DCCs, our county commissioners, regional commissioners are working tirelessly to ensure that the exams are done in a peaceful environment. And also they are on standby in case of any challenges, whether it is rain or whether it is any challenges of access to different places, to facilitate the Ministry of Education to ensure that the examination this year is successful. It is my wish that our children can do the exams in a good environment. I wish them every success because they are the future.
Abarai korwa Kenya kwanza nigo bagenderere komochia barai na banasiasa au bagochicheria na boyo kogokera ogukwa kumu Prime Minister umukuru Moske Raila Odinga bakora wanu muwaziri w'ekisemi Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba mujumbe otutu chache North Moske Japheth Nyakundi na boyo mujumbe umochore Moske Sabina Chege nigo bagenderere komorera Raila na goteba nere bya Raila aegwe esco na boyo ekiama gya ODM Ekegima kia weske na bantu baske amate gose familia ya Raila.
Vile mmeelezewa tumepoteza kiongozi wetu ambao alikuwa mbele sana kwa maneno ya governance. He is a person who wanted democracy in this country. He wanted integrity in this country. He wanted accountability in this country. Na tunasema pole kwa sisi wote na vile vile kwa familia yake. Lakini pia the most important thing that we can do in respect of the late Honorable Raila Odinga is to advance the very beliefs, the very many aspects of his life that he believed in, being democracy, good governance, accountability, na tumalize maneno mpaka ya corruption katika nchi yetu.
The father of democracy, the father of social justice, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Kwa majirani wetu tunawaambia pole sana. Pole na pole sana. Sisi kama wa Kisii tunajua tumempoteza baba. Tunazidi kuwaombea ili Mwenyezi Mungu awafariji, awape nguvu na awape hekima na muweze kukubali. Familia ya Aida Odinga tunasema pole sana. Lakini hata tunaposema pole hizo, tunataka kuambia wale wengine ambao wanataka kuharibu kile chama cha ODM, wanataka kuitatanisha, kuipasua mara mbili. Hatuwezi kubali kwa sababu Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa anataka chama cha ODM kiwe pamoja, wafanye kazi pamoja.
Mnajua tulimpoteza baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Na tukawa kule tukafanya mazishi na Kenya yote imeomboleza. Na ningetaka kuambia hata mkisikia matamshi ya watu wengine mwenda wazimu wakiongea mnawachana na yeye. Kwa sababu sisi na pahali jamii yetu imetoka tunaheshimu wa Kenya wote.
Morai osemo konyi bumunyakiro ase kiama kiregia ODM Moske Paul Simbarati ojoboigo romo governor we county ya Kisii nigo ainekere abakenya na babwatani be kiama kia ODM bune kiamekyo tikego kwa nigo kiragendere koba egetingu Simba nigo airete buna nigo bacha kirego chingero bugima bwa Raila wamenyete ase oboiko bwense yega okona korwa bondo nigo atebetu morai bwense Dr. Samuel Ruto na agendere gusira ekiamekyo aseboigo atebete Kalonzo Musyoka bwekiama kia Wiper na boigo Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta usomora ibwense umukoro negatia barai bari bacha gitekiamekyo gya ODM na nerebya bakebwatise na boigo asatebete soba chari bori bosyo mu mwaka 2027 gwene kyabare bunango so abare ase serikali.
Simbarati, gavana wa Kisii na deputy party leader wa chama cha ODM. Nimesema tumetoka Bondo kupeana pole kwa mama Aida, na nimesema kwamba sasa tumeanza celebration za maisha ya baba aliyoishi hapa duniani. Tumesema kwamba baba aende salama na chama cha ODM kitasimama imara. Eti kuna watu watauza chama, hakuna. Mimi kama deputy party leader tumeambia William Ruto, Mheshimiwa William Ruto, tumemwambia yeye alikuwa katika chama cha ODM. Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, hata Kalonzo walikuwa ODM. Tunawaambia kumpea heshima baba wao wakuje kutoka pale, tujiunge pamoja katika ODM, tupeane katika 2027. Chama cha ODM lazima kishinde kura 2027 ndiposa baba atubariki tukiendelea mbele. Kisumu, mko tayari? Hebu nisikie ODM. ODM. Kwa hivyo hii wimbo inasema kwamba mimi mnikubalie tu niomboleze.
Chinkwana igore nchira ye kiama gya ODM kirabwatie anene mono asobochori bore bosio nigo chikendrete gosara imeyensi ya Kenya magiga yo muraiwe kiama ekyo moskira irodinga gosirio bogima gatia babwatani be kiama ekyo nigo bagenderere koro kya chitabauti gosoko okungusana na kwabo igoro yo buraiwe kiama nabuna ningora achie kururuke bendera ye kiama ekyo asobochori bore bosio bo mwaka 2027 mujumbe bware gosonga moske Samuel Atandi nigo akwane maisamarore buna ikiama ekyo nkeri tayari osenke bwatyo yora soke nawe yokuruke bandera yokurya ikirego kyo buraiwensi nari bagari aye asobochori bore bosio bo mwaka 2027 nigo barache kumubwatise muraiwensi Daktari wa Samuel Ruto kone kyabuna ngo bware buninchire ya moyo kone kyana nkora arensi ya Kenya ase entundende ya kabiri.
There are a few leaders in ODM who have claimed that before Raila Amolo Odinga passed on, that he did not endorse President William Ruto, and that the ODM party should be able to field a presidential candidate 2027. I want to challenge those leaders, because from where I sit, there is nobody in ODM who can run for president as at now, because Raila Amolo Odinga did not prepare anyone to run for president. If there's a leader there who thinks he can run for president, come out and also tell us whether you have capacity to defeat President William Ruto. Some of these leaders who are claiming that Raila Odinga did not say we endorse Ruto, they are tiny, small leaders. Some of them are still even using diapers. And they are here talking and claiming that they can challenge President William Ruto. ODM is not ready to run for presidential candidate in 2027. The party is not prepared to field a candidate. And that is why we are saying that William Ruto is a former member of ODM. We have gone back to our former members to help us rejuvenate ODM. And I can assure you that because I talked with the president, when I was doing the last budget, the president called me and told me that I must ensure that I give political parties enough funding so that they can be able to operate. And those political parties know very well that this budget has a lot of money for them. A person who is asking me to put more money for political parties is not the person who wants to bring down political parties. Because I heard some people saying that President Ruto wants to bring down political parties. That is not the case. So let it be very clear that there is nobody in ODM who can run for president and defeat President Ruto. So we are very clear in our mind. And if you think you can run for president, you will not use ODM, use your own party. Who say that if ODM is going to sign a coalition agreement with President Ruto and that they are going to exit, will you please exit? Exit yesterday. We have so many leaders who can fit in your shoes. Yeah, I warned some of them. I warned last month that we have many other leaders who can be Secretary General, who can be what. So if you think Ruto is very bad, don't wait, because members of the ODM party across the country, from Mombasa, Kakamega, Bungoma, Luo Nyanza,
Chapto Kirista Ikomi na isano na emo igure Chinsa Ikomi chabo na maragobo mwancho murigereria engwane yo munyakiro bwe kamati budget nabo igo mujumbe wale go songo moske Samuel Atandi nera gotwikira mwera we Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenye korenda yo mnaenda manke ibere na nyecho wotko bwarero nere haruno ototo nyangire nchenkatire na Nyaboga makwis kuro studio akaba nera kwana kabuna chibichechi na mrengo ikirachira asenchira yo wekrano twara bore boro buya nabo igo boto ero rutomra nerit kure anki.
Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe ko babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue, na wigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer. Mbabwati bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikonyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwati yiga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yebutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchuri gobusongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom. Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone